are you? Today, we're going to learn about using Zoom on your online teaching. Okay. This is Teacher Venice. And don't forget my channel, Teacher Venice TV, at your service. So, let's start. So first, you need a Zoom application or you can open it on Chrome. Okay, so the first step that we are going to do is we have here in the lower part, we have the mute and the camera. This is the important icon in using Zoom. When you have your kids on the screen, so you have to remind them the classroom rules. Okay, so for example, if someone are talking, they have to mute Zoom. And also the host, like the teacher is the host, she can monitor it and she can manage mute and unmute. Okay? And then we have here the camera or the video. As you can see, on my background is a green paper. It's very easy, even though you don't have the green screen or green Chrome, you can use a beautiful background because Zoom has its own virtual background. All you have to do is click the video, then choose the virtual background. So you can see here, you have the general, video, the audio, share screen, chat, background filters, recording, profile, statistics, keyboard shortcuts, and accessibility. Okay, so I don't have any virtual background. To put a virtual background, so I have here save background. So I can use, like for example, I am in the classroom already, so I will choose this classroom. But you have to manage the requirements on the screen. Okay, so let's click the video filters and the video background. Then we have the screen. Then click this one, the black one, so that they can see you on your background. Yeah, that's it. So we are in the spaceship. Like what I've said, I want to choose that I am in the classroom. So here it is. You have to close this one and you have the background of your classroom. It's easy to manage. This is the Lesson 101 tutorial by Teacher Venice TV. Bye. Have a wonderful day.